All right, so now we're getting to the crazy ones where they're talking about percent increases or percent decreases. So we're going to have to be a little bit more careful here, okay? This one says a used car dealership buys a car for $2,575 and increases the price to $4,377. By what percent did the price change? So there's a couple of things we're going to have to do here. First of all, it's asking by what percent. Let me get my pen back. Did the price change? So we know the percent is going to be our X. So when we start filling things in over here, we know that the X is going to go right there. So we know the original price because that's what they paid for it originally when they got it. That's right up here, the $2,575. But we have to have the difference, okay? So when you get that difference, the first thing you do is you take that 4,377 and you subtract what they originally paid for, the 2,575, and the difference is 1,802. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw line equals line. I've used my calculator over here. I took the price they're going to sell it for, which is the bigger price, minus what they bought it for, and I got a difference of 1,802. The original price, what they originally bought that car for, was $2,575. They want to know how much of a percent the price changed by, and percent is always over 100. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to cross multiply and solve for the percent. So we're going to rely on our calculator to do a lot of this work. So I'm going to start here with 1802. And I'm going to multiply that by 100. And I'm going to get 180,200 equals, okay, and 2,575 times X is 2,575X. Now I'm going to use this answer key right here and click it. Whoops, sorry, that's not what I meant to do. I'm going to first go down one line, then I'm going to click my answer key, and it brought it down. It put it in scientific notation, but that's fine. It can do that if it wants to. And I'm going to divide it by the 2,575. Okay? And that gives me 69.98. So that rounds up to 70%. So if they ask what percent did the price change, the price changed by 70%. That's how much they marked up the car when they sold it. All right. Now, if you want to just think about it a little bit, let's just do some work on the calculator. If the original price was $2,575 and they were going to mark it up by 100%, that means they would double the price, correct? So let's go ahead and double the price. That would be 5,150, which is more than this. So it makes sense that they only raised it by 70%, because had they raised it by 100%, this is what the price would have been. Okay, sometimes you can check yourself that way just to make sure your answers make sense. A lot of times you can figure out things just by using your head and thinking, all right, does it make sense? Okay? Don't worry, you can do this. We're going to keep practicing. There's lots of videos on our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, you just call us, text us, email us. All right? We love you guys.